Prime Margo is a reputed company of the Indian plastic industry. Plastic Today editor Shivendra Prakash Trivedi had a special meeting with the director of this company, Mr. Dipen Shah. During the Caplex exhibition held in Bengaluru, recently presented our special excerpts from the conversation that took place during this period.
हमारे साथ हैं प्राइम मार्गो के डायरेक्टर दीपेन शाह जी, जो इंडस्ट्री में बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं और इनकी कंपनी लगातार ग्रो कर रही, आगे बढ़ रही है। हम लोगों की मुलाकात हुई केप्लेक्स एग्जीबिशन के दौरान। आइए बात करते हैं इनकी कंपनी के बारे में, किस तरीके से ग्रो कर रही है, किस तरीके से आगे बढ़ रहे हो। केप्लेक्स के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है? सर, अपनी कंपनी के बारे में बताइए दीपेन जी। सबसे पहले तो आपका प्लास्टिक टुडे में स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आप अपनी कंपनी के बारे में बताइए, किस तरीके से ये कंपनी ग्रो कर रही है और किस तरीके से इस्टेब्लिश हुई, इसकी शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई?
See, we are a group of 3 companies and we started almost 3 decades back. करीब 30 साल पहले का जर्नी है इस ग्रुप का, जो स्टार्ट किया था OEMs को डाउनस्ट्रीम सप्लाईज के लिए। वहाँ से डाउनस्ट्रीम की हमारी एक्सपर्टाइज बनी। काफ़ी सालों तक हमने more than 2 decades we supplied to the large OEMs of India. Then we ventured into, also parallelly we ventured into mixer solutions, basically mixing, grinding, size reduction solutions, and we are one of the leading supplier of heater cooler mixers, pulverizers and grinders for more than 20 years. Parallelly we had another group called Margo Industries where we are into conveying. So when you get the resin, जैसे पहले resin आपके पास आती है, उसको convey करके extruder तक पहुंचानी है. So that is the task, conveying and weighing and conveying and automation is being done by Margo Industries. So that company is also in the business for last more than 15 years into this automation. So now we are a group of these 3 companies called Prime Margo Group, and the Prime Margo basically is a company established before 12 years, and that is into extrusion machinery. That's the third part, that's the third group company. We are into machinery और हम एक्सट्रूजन मशीनरी बनाता है HDPE के लिए, PVC के लिए। PVC में हमारे पास है सिंगल स्क्रू एज वेल एज PVC में हमारे पास है ट्विन स्क्रू पैरेलल एज वेल एज ट्विन स्क्रू कोनिकल। एंड इन HDPE we have very good product range. The machinery starts from 100 kgs per hour to almost 700 kilos an hour, and we have supplied these lines in the field, complete lines in the field. And because we have a background of downstream, it was easy for us to really get into the complete line compared to some people who have started with screw barrel and getting into the lines. So we have that advantage, and our thought process is getting into technology. अभी हम यूरोपियन टेक्नोलॉजी ला रहे हैं HDPE के लिए. That is one very important step we have taken, and we are announcing that also at our stall. तो हम यूरोप से टेक्नोलॉजी टाइप कर रहे हैं HDPE पाइप्स के लिए, जो इंडस्ट्री के लिए काफ़ी एडवांटेजेस होगा. आज हमारी HDPE लाइन्स काफ़ी इस्टेब्लिश्ड है, बट व्हेन वी हैव द टेक्नोलॉजी वी विल हैव द रिडक्शन ऑफ पावर कंजम्पशन, वी विल हैव द रिडक्शन इन स्पेस, एंड वी विल हैव हायर प्रोडक्टिविटी. तो वो वेरी सून वी विल हैव दैट प्रोडक्ट एंड विल बी डिस्प्लेइंग इन नेक्स्ट सम ऑफ द एग्जीबिशन. सो दीज आर आवर प्लान्स. वी हैव 3-4 different factories. We are moving the Prime Margo, which is the extrusion factory, we will be very shortly in next few months moving into a larger space area, where we'll be almost 2.5 to 3 times of our current space, and that's because for the way the business is growing and the way we are addressing the segment, we'll have to go for larger space. We are recruiting and building the team. So we have a good team, but then we are still adding people to cater to our growth. So we see the overall for all the 3 groups, we see a good growth in coming future. And we are very positive about it.
केप्लेक्स के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
See, Caplex के बारे में, to be very candid, the visitor flow has not been to the level of expectation. Yes, it's overall a good location, and it was, it's supposed to be a good show for addressing the South market, and strategically the way Karnataka is growing. It is supposed to be a very active exhibition, but we didn't find the way it should be. Yes, we have some good connections, we have some good inquiries, we have some specific meetings which I have organized and which will give some fruitful results, but it could have been better, and we do not know that. We'll organize, we'll have to see what were the flaws in terms of promotion or whatever, the visitor flow is little less than expected. Though we are overall, positive with the meeting which took place.
आप अपने कस्टमर से क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
See, कस्टमर से हम यही कहना चाहते हैं, one message if I have to give to my customers or the plastic processing industry is that we are here to give solutions. We are here to give a complete solution because, right from the resin getting into their factory to the pipe getting out of their factory, we have a complete solution within our group. So we are more oriented to bring efficiency into this complete system, getting the technology into this system. So we will be supplying a technology with a very viable cost, and we are there to give a very good backup. This is my message to the customers.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, Vivedi ji. Thanks a lot.